time. And
Listen to Mr. Ed, Corey.
we should split up about 4 pieces. No, that's for chickens. That's right there down there.
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. One, and one. And they're all hogs. I think it's all for them.
Look at them.
There.
They're so excited.
They
Can I
do.
give him this piece of bread I found next to your shoe?
Well, that was for chickens. That's why I got this. Okay. Here, come over here. Here, there's 3.
Listen to him.
Start there and just hand them out.
He's so funny.
Oh, you already have one.
Yeah, you do the girls. Okay, here's some more. There's 3 more. Some of them swallow it. So the little one, I think he chews his food.
That's not yours. Okay, this is yours. Okay, and now this is yours.
He walked away.
It's just because he doesn't know you yet very well. That's for the boys. There's 2 more for the girls. Okay. And give that to the boys. Oh, I guess I got a couple more. And I gotta go drive truck.
I need one more. I just accidentally fed him. I accidentally did. Yeah, I have one more. It's uneven. You don't have one in the real mouth. But all y'all do. So there you
That
go.
little one, he's my favorite of the guys.
Oh, yeah?
That's my second one. They both let me pet them. This one likes to push against me. So. Yeah, I'll give you another.
You know, it's hard to pet y'all.
Yeah. I already gave them the grass, so they've got a lot of nibbling to do to get that up off the ground. I'm wondering if they don't particularly like that either. I got this one.
What?
There's a rabbit under there. It's right there.
A rabbit?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they're all over.
Little bunnies everywhere, man.
Now that my grandkids are gone,
Uh-huh.
start restacking this stuff. Every time I've stacked it, they just tear it apart. They do stuff like this and then they tear it apart.
I'm getting inside of here.
You want to feed the chickens?
Yeah.
Let's make sure we give one. Oh, I didn't pick up that loose piece. Is it still over there?
Colton, what are you doing?
Oh, good.